Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both the Redington Airpods and your phone. Make sure the case and buds show power, charge above 20%. A low battery can block pairing. Once done, open the case lid right next to your device and enable Bluetooth. Press the small pairing button on the case for 2 to 3 seconds. A light will flash. This tells your phone to discover the earbuds. Then, tap the AirPods name on your screen to connect, because the quick discovery step speeds setup. Once connected, you fine-tune how the AirPods behave. Check that audio is in stereo by selecting the earbuds as the output in your device's control center. This prevents mono playback. Then, set touch or tap controls. Assign play, pause, and skip either in the Redington app or your phone's Bluetooth settings, so controls feel natural. Make sure automatic ear detection is turned on to pause when removed and allow firmware updates, keeping software current fixes. To finish, verify call and microphone quality by making a short test call or recording a voice memo. This confirms both sides work. If you hit problems, perform a reset. With the case open, press and hold the pairing button for about 10 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears pairing records. If the reset doesn't help, charge the case 30 minutes, toggle Bluetooth off and on your device, then retry pairing. This simple sequence resolves most connectivity glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.